So not too shabby of a day today across the ArkLaMiss, but we definitely felt a little more heat and we felt a little more humidity across all of the ArkLaMiss today. A few of us seeing some scattered showers. As we're kind of heading into the overnight hours, we've seen those temperatures drop into the upper 70s, only feeling like the low 80s. So we're only feeling a couple degrees warmer than what our actual temperatures are, which is pretty good compared to what we would normally feel for this time of the year. So we felt a little more humidity and heat, but we're not feeling too shabby as we kind of head into the overnight hours. We are rain-free. You can see that on our new live storm tracker Doppler radar, and we're expecting conditions to stay clear as we kind of continue through the overnight hours. So rain has cleared out, all the scattered showers have cleared out, and the clouds have cleared out a good bit as well. All the rain that we saw really started developing along the Gulf Coast and was moving north and northeast, but we just saw very scattered isolated showers, typical for this time of the year, so typical to a summer-like pattern, really. But aside from that, staying pretty quiet. Not really much going on really across much of the southeast or really in the central plains. So a nice quiet start to this weekend. But we could use the rain because in regards to drought, as of recently updated as this past Thursday, most of us are in the dry and moderate categories of the drought monitor. So we're staying pretty dry, and we could desperately use the rain. Over in Shreveport, they're in the extreme category. So that's a level 4 out of 5. So in western Louisiana, we desperately need the rain. In eastern Louisiana, especially along the Mississippi River Valley area, we could also use some rain as well. Taking a quick look at the tropics, because we haven't really talked about the tropics in quite some time. National Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on this low pressure system that has about a 20% chance of developing over the next couple of days. Still very early on to, kind of tell whether it's going to be named or what exactly it'll do, but we'll kind of keep an eye on that as we kind of continue over really the next couple of days. So today we hit a high of 91 degrees in Monroe, and that's really fairly below average for this time of the year. We should be in the mid-90s, but we saw low 90s, and now we've seen those temperatures drop to the upper 70s. So even though it felt a little more hot and humid, we're still pretty dang blessed. Pretty fortunate for how temperatures should be, as heat indices are fairly moderate in the mid to upper 80s, so it's only feeling just a little bit warmer than what it should be for this time of the year. As we kickstart this next week, so Sunday into Tuesday, we are going to see temperatures on the rise, eventually reaching mid-90s, and then by Wednesday through Friday, we'll see those temperatures drop. So why is that? Well, we have pretty solid rain chances for the mid-part of the week heading into next weekend. Scattered showers will stick around for much of Sunday and Monday, but it'll be a lot less than today. So tomorrow, Sunday, could see some scattered showers around lunchtime, lasting through the early evening hours. Same thing with Monday. It will be a lot less, but very typical for the summertime. So that's kind of what we're expecting for the beginning half of this work week. And then as we head into really the part of the week into the weekend, that's when we'll see better rain chances. And we'll also see those temperatures on the decline. So low 90s, really low to mid 90s for temperatures is what we can expect for the beginning half of this work week. We might see those heat indices in the mid to upper 90s similar to today, but Connor, compared to what we should feel for this time of the year, yeah. It's pretty nice because usually we would see those triple-digit temperatures, triple-digit heat indices, and fortunately, we're not seeing that. We'll see what we get.
About that.
Exactly.
Right. So we talked about it at 6 o'clock.
Yes.
Chocolate chip cookie day, you bring me in?
Oh, yes. No, dude. I totally forgot.